Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Married Circle. In my earlier video, I was showing you that Married Circle left the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart without any powerful buying volume, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then still it is moving at this resistance, and you can see moving to the downside. And on the daily time frame chart, it has formed this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Married Circle that I shared a few days back on 12th of May 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal from Married Circle that I shared on 12th of May 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Married Circle formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line once again dropped down, by the way, here inside this buying zone. And after that, we had a very nice price reversal and it rallied up till the sell target zone. And after hitting this sell target zone, the price line again moved down. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Married Circle formed. By the way, by mistake, I have mentioned here ICP, but this is the trade setup for Married Circle. You can see it was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal move from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 51% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that within the next few days, it rallied more than 51%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that Married Circle broke out the resistance here in the month of, not here, in the month of April 2023. And after the breakout, it got strongly rejected by this long-term resistance of 41 cents that was previously working as a support here. And now for the past several weeks or months, it is working as a very, very strong and long-term resistance. And now the price is moving down with the resistance of this red to the downside. And it has broken down a very long-term support of 25 cents. You can see it worked as a support here, as well. But after these a few more rejections, we cannot ignore this resistance line. You can see it is still following this new resistance. And now this is the formation of a down channel and the price line is still moving. You can see, in fact, it is still moving inside this down channel. And here we have several ejections. And here we have several touch points at the support. Once it will be able to break out this resistance of the down channel with the powerful buying volume, that will be a very, very nice entry for Married Circle. We have a very nice signal flashed on the daily time frame chart. That is the formation of a falling wedge pattern, even though we have broken down this support, very long-term support of 25 cents. But you can see that it is completely oversold. Stochastic is showing that it is completely oversold on the weekly time frame chart. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can start a price correction to the upside. And if this correction move will be started, then it can break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And once it will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, you can see it is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there is a probability that we may break out the resistance. Then the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 30 cents. And in my point of view, it is possible that after breaking out this daily falling wedge pattern, it may also try to break out this long-term resistance of 41 cents as well. By the way, once it will be able to break out this resistance of the down channel, then the target to the upside can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.